In this video, we will see how to get 70% off in 10Web, which is a popular AI-powered website builder. To grab this deal, click on the first link given in this video's description and follow along with me. First, you will want to log in or sign up by creating an account. Once you are logged in, head over to the pricing section. You will notice 3 different pricing plans, each offering various different features. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that best fits your needs. By default, the pricing is set to monthly, but if you switch to annual, you will instantly see a 50% discount and we can still get even more discount. Once you have decided your plan, click on Buy Now, which will take you to the payment page. Here, you will see an option to apply a promo code. Click on it and type WPISM and click Apply. You will see an additional 20% discount applied on top of the annual discount, which makes it almost a 70% discount for us. Now you can fill in the remaining payment details and complete the payment. If you are interested in another great AI tool for building websites, you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.